Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Nike SB Chron Solarsoft. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a pair of Nike SB Chron Solarsoft skateboarding shoes, and this pair is in the men's UK size 9, US size 10, EU size 44, and it's in the women's US size 11.5. And this pair is in the black, white colorway. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping up the box lid to reveal the contents inside. And let's peel back the packing paper to reveal the Nike SB Chron Solarsoft in the black, white colorway. And let's lift out the left shoe first and focus on it. So giving you a quick look at the Nike SB Chron Solarsoft in the black, white colorway. And just setting the box to the side as we focus on the left shoe. And doing a 360 rotation so you have a nice clear and full view of the Nike SB Chron Solarsoft. And taking some close-up looks, we can see that it does actually have a gum light brown vulcanized outsole that extends towards the upper cover. And for the upper cover, we can see that it does have a very soft and fine nap suede front in black, and towards the midfoot area there is some very fine canvas with a very fine weaving, and of course the white Nike swoosh stitched to it. And towards the back heel area we can see that once again we see that suede in a very fine and soft finish. And taking a look at the back to give you some idea of the shape and silhouette of this Nike SB Chron Solarsoft. And on the inner side of the shoe, once again we see the canvas midfoot section with a white Nike swoosh, and of course back to the front we see that very soft fine suede front. So giving you a top-down look as well to give you a better idea of the shape of the shoe. And taking a look from the front to the back, we can see that gum light brown bumper extension for added durability and wear, and moving from that front over to the toe section and over the laces, and of course the tongue with the Nike SB Chron branding patch, and of course into the shoe and around the ankle collar. So we can see that the tongue does have a mesh-like finish or mesh finish. And let's pop out the inner stuffing so we can have a better look inside the shoe. So there is the familiar Nike branding and information about Nike on the back of the tongue patch, and the material on the underside of the tongue does have a very fine and soft finish for the inner or underside lining. And on the inside we can see the Nike Solarsoft sock liner or insole with that very familiar blue cup or edge, and of course the Solarsoft script on it as well. And as to the padding around the ankle collar and heel clip, does have some light to medium padding around the ankle collar and heel clip. And taking a look at the sole of the shoe, we can see it does have that starburst radiating herringbone pattern from the midfoot, radiating out across the entire length of the shoe, and of course there is that Nike swoosh towards the back. So taking some close-up looks at the sole and giving you some idea as to the softness or stiffness of the material, which is rubber, and of course the texture and pliability of the rubber. So taking a look from the front towards the midsection, and finally towards the back or heel area, and giving you those close-up looks. So you can see that the sole does have that vulcanized extension all the way covering the upper cover of the entire shoe. And of course that added bumper covering the front area of the shoe. Just giving you some various looks in different positions and aspects. And now let's do a flex and bend test with my hands to give you some idea as to the stiffness or softness of this Nike SB Chron Solarsoft in the black, white colorway. And just pressing down on the sole as well. And now let's take a look at the right shoe. So setting the left shoe down. And popping the box back open. And lifting the right shoe out. So now, right shoe in hand with the black, white colorway. So once again, giving you some close-up looks at the shoe with its suede and canvas upper cover. So suede in the front and back, and canvas in the midsection or midfoot of the shoe. And once again, giving you a look at the sole and overall shape of the shoe. And now let's take a look at the pair together. Left and right shoe in hand, side by side. And taking a look from the front to the back. And the bottom as well, with that rubber gum-like brown finish. So that's Nike SB Chron Solarsoft in the black, white colorway. Thanks for watching and happy skateboarding!